Hey, Tweetie here. We have many descriptions down in the bottom and the links for you to be able to go to for different things. And we also have our playlists. So don't forget about those. But also, don't forget about sanitation. Oh my goodness, and hygiene. Stocking up on toilet paper and soap is important. Not enough to make a rush on the bank, of course, but it is important. And stocking up on food and water is too. You have to stay clean in order to avoid getting sick. And getting sick during a survival situation, you don't want that because the hospitals are going to be overran, which is what's happening during this stupid pandemic. You could end up killing yourself or your family members if you're not prepared. So, not only do you need to get the toilet paper and the soap, but also get wet wipes. Those are cleaning and something to wipe yourself with. The other thing you need to think about is planting bouncing bet out in your garden. It's a plant that when you squish it up, it makes soap that you can wash your hair with or wash your dishes with or your entire body. So think about getting some of those seeds. I've got some. We might be able to start having enough of those harvested. You could too. So think about different ways that you can keep clean. And if these tips have helped you, give us a like. If you'd like more of these kind of tips, subscribe, of course. Angels all around. Have a blessed day.